Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to connect Clickbank with Payoneer. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Connecting your Clickbank account with Payoneer is a simple process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you out. First of all, log into your Clickbank account. Now select the Accounts tab. Click the account nickname that you want to connect to Payoneer. Note that each nickname account must be connected individually to Payoneer if you want to be paid by Payoneer for all nickname accounts. Then click the account settings. Scroll to the payment information section and click the edit option. Select the direct deposit radial button. Provide the following information in the direct deposit information fields to connect your Payoneer account. Select your country and select the city of your bank. For the bank name, account number, and routing number fields, use the information provided in the confirmation email sent by Payoneer. Select checking as the account type and now save the changes. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.